nah, this is it.
Yeah. Oh!
Hey, check out our Patreon in the link below. You'll have access to uncut and upcoming reactions, skits, behind-the-scenes footage, and so much more. Your support goes a long way to helping us with more reactions and original content. Also, thanks for subbing. Set the bell for notifications. Your boy YaBoyRockLee.
we are YaBoyRockLee channel.
Jumping into this goddamn Konosuba reaction. I am gonna be completely honest, I was not happy after ending the last episode because of the way they humanized that demon lady and then took her out like everything is all fun and games. Ha ha ha, let's move on. I knew the Crimson Demons were in shit, right? And I'm going back to how that dude was stalking this girl. I thought that was funny, right? They was blowing up the kingdom or their village as they were trying to take out some demons, right? They were still taking out. They locked up some being from another world that wasn't even hurting them. They just brought it over because they thought it was cool, right? Megumi don't even want this cat. She never wanted the cat. And she just decided that she wanted to keep the cat. It's only Union that wants the cat, right? She did actually make a deal. She really made a deal about giving up the cat and still backed out about it. In fact, to hone in on how much she don't want this cat, right?
She threw that thing.
Thank you! Thank you!
Into the abyss, bro!
She yeeted the cat and she just goes sacrifice it because it was her familiar.
Alright folks, let's jump into this reaction. Y'all know the deal. If you like our content, smash a thumbs up, drop a comment, let us know. We post the heat early on Patreon. Konosuba starts now.
Jeez.
It didn't sound like them.
Sounded kind of like them.
I feel like, was that not Kazu's voice that we're listening
It
to?
sounded like it.
I didn't think it sounded like Aqua.
Okay, that's what you said like them. Okay.
We just didn't see them.
Yeah.
Isn't it funny how we see them cross paths?
I do think we're supposed to
Extra
be this.
flair.
No one. No one. No one.
Empty.
Poor thing.
I think that's supposed to be them. It just didn't sound like they're VAs. That's all it was. I saw the stable. I heard the yelling. I remember that conversation. The VAs just did not sound like them.
Ah, here we go.
Carrying the whole show.
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
That's all she wants.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I missed this. They were just early. They probably just explained it as clear as day, and I still was like, huh? What?
Where'd she go?
Look at her face. She wanted. So extra.
Exactly what she wanted.
Oh, okay. Is she going along with it? Oh, damn. Damn.
Oh, yeah, it definitely was Aqua.
Yep, definitely. Oh, yeah, it's Aqua.
Yeah. Just didn't recognize the VA's voice. That's all me, babe.
There's no intelligence.
Is too low. That got me that. I was like, oh, yep. Makes sense.
Even him I recognize.
Yeah. Oh, what she put up? I can't read that.
Same.
I'm a thief. I think it's just funny how that's just like a normal thing accepted. I'm a thief. Okay.
Let him know.
Nah, don't listen to the confident ones. Dang.
Oh my god.
She's putting them through a trial.
What happened?
She had to walk back.
That's it! That's it! Jeez, poor little things. Poor little
She
things.
wiped all of them out?
Now she needs people to carry her home. Oh, they're firing her. Damn, that's a nice way to let her down. Nope. Look at her face. She wants nothing to do with him.
Yeah. Damn.
The walk of shame.
And she's hungry. That's him. That's him.
Yeah.
That's him.
That's Cons.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It was
yeah.
just Aka's VA. I was like, I don't know if that's her.
I have a condition.
The water goddess, I wonder.
What was that?
Aw, Yun. They're both gonna be starving.
Mm-hmm. Damn, no one wanted to work with her? Oh, poor thing. Poor thing. Yeah, because she's broke. Yeah, you paying Union, right? Are we under the same?
Yeah, Union
You
fan.
fan.
Oh, they didn't even cover that. That's one Union made. Aww. Poor thing.
Boring story.
Honestly, I would be in her squad. She sounds dope.
Aw.
I wouldn't.
Why? What's wrong with Union squad?
There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, if I'm doing this, I'm trying to be an adventurer. I'm not trying to have fun and play.
Oh, you said
That's
the same
what
thing
I-
about college.
I
Yeah,
read it and I'm
remember.
just like, this ain't the group I'm being.
I'm trying to have fun and adventure.
Is that La Latina?
I mean, if I wasn't serious about it, I would join Union.
Oh, yes! Darkness.
Yeah.
We're getting
Hey,
all-
Chris.
just the whole thing, wow.
えらく威勢がいいやつらだな。最近この近くで悪魔型モンスターが目撃されてるからな。その討伐だろうが。
We got all the cameos. Well, not all, but.
なに、高魔族の魔法使いがいるなら問題ないだろう。
You have Megami with you, bro. Not a crimson demon.
And a single blow.
Yes, she will.
Oh my gosh. Is it? Oh, it's getting
slime
scattered
demon.
everywhere. Oh, that looks epic! Oh, it's everywhere.
Damn.
Yeah.
He was like, nah, this is it.
Yeah. Oh!
Got
Damn.
taken out.
Jeez.
Oh, wow, she succeeded.
It just shot her in the face, though. It was funny.
そのなんだ悪かった
Oh, wow.
俺はてっきり口だけのハッタリ魔法使いかと疑ってたよ
I mean,
She's not listening. Oh.
いいえ、私も言わなくてはいけないことがありますので、
Oh.
謝るのはそれからでいいですよ。実は私はさっきの爆裂
Oh
魔
my
法しか
God.
使えません。つまりあの魔法を1日一発くっきり打てるだけです。昼間のような強敵相手には切り札になれる自信がありますが、
Okay.
このパーティーは
Yo, the eye movement.
爆裂魔法の威力を上げるスキル以外覚える気がありません。
that's difficult.
悪いが他のパーティーを探してくれない
Let her eat some of that food, though.
I did hear she'll get something if it helps with explosion magic. So she just needs to figure that out.
The potency of it.
Yeah. Like, would learning flame magic not help the potency? Like, come on.
What about enough so that you could fire two hypothetically in the same day? I don't know.
There's a lot of things.
おいこのままいけばノルマなんて余裕だな
今度は売るための新しいバナナをちょうだい。
お前ふざけんな寝言ぶっこいてんじゃねえぞいいから出せクリー
Goddamn Aqua.
We need this money. Stable.
Oh,
She got bananas.
今日はどうだった？いいパーティーには出会えた？いえ。
This cat's having the time of its life.
女神の魔法は強力だけど使いどころを選ぶしね。そういうユンユンは誰か来ましたか？
Irma's looking for a union with you getting stuck with Megami.
あ、断ったんだけど、でもその人話に付き合ってくれたり、お昼をおごってくれたり、なんだかすごくいい人で、またお話ししようって言ってくれて。
Oh?
はい、お手。
Caught her.
そうだからって油断してたみたいね。ソーダマスターにクラスチェンジ。さあ、これで対局は決まったわ。
Nah, Union's the best girl, bro.
Agreed.
Oh,
Yeah!
She really did that.
damn, Union. God.
仲間。
Explosion! I'm gonna do that next time.
There's a lot of
Yo.
detail on Union just now.
Yo, there was. When she was shaking her, right?
Yeah.
Oh!
Remember when you were losing in Connect 4 back in the day, and I would just empty the board or whatever? No, you would empty the board, so because you were losing.
You exposed yourself!
You was
You
losing.
exposed yourself!
Terrible.
Damn, look at these craters.
天才と呼ばれた。
The child, bro.
この。
You again? What? Oh, helping her.
すみません。ちょっとまた。
This man is on it.
Oh my god.
He came out like he was angry for.
人手がいるんだからな
Ah.
次からはもっと街から離れた場所で強いモンスター相手に撃ってくれよな
私は魔法を打つと魔力切れで動けなくなるのです。街から離れた場所
Huh.
で跳ねなくなると。
This is what they're always fixing.
漏れなく食われてしまうのです。それが爆裂魔法なのです。
ザークなんか魔法だなあそういや貧
No, you don't, Aqua.
貧乏店主。
この街でも有名なとある
Oh.
Oh,
Wiz.
Wiz.
もともと冒険者をやっていたセカンデで巨乳の魔法使いだっていう噂だが
Where did he come from?
Oh my
そう
god.
だな
The two conversations
Yo!
are
I know.
hilarious.
あの人の居場所が。
Oh.
Wrong thicky. Yo, the way he drops her off.
お前の場合はまず仲間を探すことだな
でもその前にこの街で一人前の冒険者としてやっていけるようになってからにしましょうか。
Go for it.
Konosuba's not giving Konosuba permission to
everyone
show
looking
Kaz's
away.
face.
It must be. That's probably why the VAs are probably different on this.
Oh, they all picked something.
Someone's gonna take me very serious.
はい、なんでしょうか
Not everyone's avoiding her.
私の紙をちょっと見せてもらってもいいですかねお断りします
Oh,
見せろ
Nah, they're really coming through in the drawings on this episode. I don't know, it's a little bolder and darker.
おお、これは都合がいいですね。実は私、フリーの魔法使いでして。すいません、もう決まったんです。ちょうど今メンバーが決まって、それで紙を剥がしたわけで。
Oh.
そんな言い訳はたくさんですよ。何ですか？爆裂魔法。
Yes, no one wants to work with it.
冒険者総出で私をハマにするつもりです。
cancel you?
Yeah.
Okay.
何をするやめよ。何の騒ぎですか？落ち着いてください。
How's Gilgirls holding her back
エグニーさん、冒険者ギルドマン
with the things in the front?
やるなら外でお願いします。
Cha! Finally!
They were nerfing it. Actually.
Yeah, they were. No, they was making sure we couldn't even see it.
Oh, everyone wants.
Oh my god.
Wait.
それじゃあ少しだけ。
No. Ew. Thank you. Ew. What am I looking at?
His tooth was a.
なんで
It was a lot.
お母さんが違う人恋人を嘘に決まってるでしょそんなもの。なんて流されやすい子なんですか。他には私がいない間に他にも誰かに変な
A ton.
していないでしょうね。変なこと。
Nothing
Oh
bizarre.
no.
ここに来る昼間からお酒飲んでるおじさんにこれからはおじさんのことをお父さんって呼んでみてくれないか。
Oh.
Oh my god.
もらったんですか。
Yes.
もう
Oh.
生活に困ってたから少しでも
What even worse, you take the money!
だって仕方ないじゃない。
Take his money.
一人で過ごしてるんだし、声かけられたりしたらそれが
Look at
好きなのお布施でも。今日の持ってるんですか。早く捨ててくださいこんなもの。まったく。
You need something else.
なんかと思って放っておいたら、モッチをこじらせすぎて大変なところまで足を踏みかけて。
She is.
A dangerous
Jeez.
threshold.
She's the kind of girl that should look for stardom.
Yeah, she's too nice.
どうでしょうか。お互いに新しいパーティーメンバーが
Use each other.
一時的に私とパーティーを組みませんか。
I thought she's wanted. Oh, maybe not.
一緒にパーティー組まないかと言っているだけなのに、何がそんなに驚くのです。
I think that is all Union
ね
wanted.
えメグに、この間私が言ったことちゃんと
Oh,
覚えてね。
Union's gonna shut her down? Lies.
私が上級魔法を覚えたら、その時こそ決着をってやつ。俺が
Whatever.
ちょっと待ちなさいよ。なんであんなに大事な約束をコロッと忘れちゃう。
Yeah, she's not one of the promises. That's what the demon lady was saying.
その衝撃で記憶が残るの。だから何を言っているのですか。早くクエストを受けてお金を稼がないと今夜の宿題もないですよ。もしかして私たち今夜から馬小屋
+2.
Yo.
Mercy.
店内での喧嘩は
No, they're not really fighting.
I miss you, Gilgirl.
お姉さんお仕事ください。
No one wants to sleep in the stables.
No one does.
Hilarious.
I like the little cameos they added in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Latina covering goo. Hot. Kazanako friend in the background, realizing that they're filling in all Megumi's holes. Yep, yeah, yeah.
Was that a reference in the first Konosuba that they was doing?
When they're doing
hole filling
construction,
work?
yeah, when they're doing construction,
I think so, yeah.
building walls, yeah, they must have been filling holes too.
But they mentioned the filling holes part in
I don't
Konosuba?
know. I just distinctly
I don't
remember
remember.
they was doing manual labor for a long
Yeah.
time. There was wheelbarrowing dirt and bricks.
Okay. I just want to see how thought out the cameo, like how thought out the world building was.
They're
So I-
very
If we
well
look
thought
back,
out
we could
intentional.
probably find them just walking in the background while they're doing stuff.
Oh right. That's kind of still that was like how
Mhm.
thought out was it? If the reverse is also true hypothetically, I don't think it is, but just curious. But I have nothing to say, man. I don't even feel bad for Megan B. You know why I don't feel bad for her?
Why?
Because everyone told you. And then
Everyone
she's
told her.
mad that no one wants her.
And then
She
won't
knows
even,
her own
The thing
shortcomings.
is, she can learn, right? They're saying we can help you learn other intermediate magic, and she's still like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. So I don't know why she's being so stubborn. Because wouldn't you
'Cause she's
want
a
to be the
Crimson
best
Demon.
at everything, not just explosion magic?
It's because she's a
though?
Crimson Demon. That's why I attribute it to it. I like, because she's a Crimson Demon, she decided I'm only doing explosive magic, nothing else. If it doesn't help me get bigger, better, brighter explosive magic, I'm not even going to consider it. And I've just accepted it for a long, long time. Actually, I haven't accepted it. I still coped in this episode. I was like, can't you learn like fire and like use the fire on like
Even if
little
she doesn't
mobs and
learn
explosion?
magic,
Like,
learn
nope.
some self-defense or something, so you can fight off these little monsters or something, you know?
'Cause she's a
Anything.
Crimson
Use a
Demon
dagger,
now.
you know? But no, she's not gonna do
Yeah,
that.
she had me a problem with that staff if she
Bro, I
really
wouldn't
wanted
work with
to.
her either.
Put a knife at the tip, just like a pikeman.
She just won't do anything. Ugh.
I saved all my comments. I saved all my frustration because you know what it is. There's no, yeah, she's a Crimson Demon. Like, yeah, that's what she does. I'm
That's
like,
what she
okay,
does, bro.
so I just don't say nothing about it.
Yeah.
But I'm watching. I'm like, yeah,
Frustrating.
good for you. That's
Union is best
That's what
girl,
you
bro. That's why I sound like, no, Union's best girl. She could never learn advanced magic and she'd still be best girl, bro.
She's practical. She's
She helps
practical.
more. She does help more too.
I love
It's
what
in
she
the work.
wrote. She's looking for party members. I'm like, that's so wholesome. You said you would join the party. I would have joined the party. I'd have joined the party. I'm like, this sounds like fun. Like, I just want to mess around and make some money. Like, what you want to do?
All right, man. Yo, thanks for watching with us. We post our reactions early on Patreon, including series that don't make it on YouTube. Check out the schedule for a list of that. The schedule's in the description of this video.
Also, hit the bell for notifications and be sure to click on our video so you can stay in your recommended feed.
If you're going to join the YaBoyRockLee crew, go into the description, hit that Discord link so you can like us in the community.
All right, guys. Until next time, Rock D. Lee.
And our couple nerds.
York the Nasty.
Out.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, please go ahead and do so. The link is in the description of this video, and I actually tweet back. Much love, Rock D. Lee.